Asteroids are like giant treasure chests floating in space, waiting to be discovered and unlocked. These celestial bodies, remnants from the early solar system, hold secrets and treasures beyond our wildest dreams. They hold precious metals and other resources, such as platinum, gold, and rare earth elements. These materials are essential for modern technology and industry. These resources are very valuable, potentially worth trillions of dollars. The economic impact of asteroid mining could be revolutionary, creating new industries and opportunities. We can use them to build things in space and on Earth. Imagine constructing space stations, habitats, and even entire cities using materials sourced from asteroids. Imagine a future where we get resources from space. This would change everything, reducing our dependence on Earth's finite resources and opening up new frontiers for exploration and development. For centuries, we have looked to the stars, seeking knowledge and inspiration. Early astronomers and scientists laid the groundwork for our understanding of the cosmos. We have dreamed of exploring the universe, venturing beyond our planet to uncover its mysteries. Today, those dreams are closer to becoming reality than ever before. Now, we have the chance to use the resources of space. Advanced technology and innovative engineering are making it possible to mine asteroids and utilize their materials. Asteroids could be the key to a brighter future, providing the resources needed to sustain and grow our civilization. The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. Asteroids are leftovers from the early solar system. They're like giant rocks tumbling through space. Most asteroids are found in a belt between Mars and Jupiter, but some come close to Earth. These near-Earth asteroids can be dangerous. If they hit Earth, they can cause a lot of damage. We need to track these asteroids. Understanding them is important for the safety of our planet. How do we get these resources from asteroids? We use robotic miners. These advanced machines are equipped with cutting-edge technology, allowing them to operate in the harsh conditions of space. They are designed to be highly efficient and autonomous, reducing the need for human intervention. These are special spacecraft designed for mining. They are built to withstand the extreme environments of space and are equipped with tools to break down and collect materials from asteroids. They land on asteroids and extract the valuable materials. These materials include precious metals like platinum and gold, as well as essential elements like water and rare earth metals. The extraction process is meticulously planned to ensure maximum yield with minimal waste. Some robots are designed to capture an asteroid. They use advanced grappling mechanisms to secure the asteroid, ensuring it doesn't drift away during the mining process. They can bring it closer to Earth for easier mining. This process involves carefully calculated trajectories to ensure the asteroid is moved safely and efficiently, minimizing the risk of collision with other space objects. Once the resources are mined, they are processed. This can involve refining metals, extracting water, and separating valuable elements from the raw material. The processing can be done using advanced machinery either in space or on Earth. This can happen in space or on Earth. Processing in space can reduce the cost and complexity of transporting raw materials back to Earth, while processing on Earth can leverage existing infrastructure and technology. We can use these resources to build things in space. This includes habitats, spacecraft, and even space stations. By utilizing space resources, we can reduce the cost of space exploration and create a sustainable presence in space, paving the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. Asteroids contain a wealth of valuable materials hidden within their rocky surfaces. These celestial bodies, often seen as mere space debris, are actually treasure troves of resources. These include precious metals like platinum, gold, and essential industrial metals such as iron. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in our modern world. These metals are indispensable in various industries. Platinum and gold are vital in high-tech electronics, while iron is a cornerstone in construction and manufacturing processes. Mining asteroids could provide us with a new, virtually limitless source of these materials. Furthermore, many asteroids contain water, which is another invaluable resource. Water is essential for life support in space, providing hydration and other necessities for astronauts living in space habitats. It can also be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen through electrolysis, a process that could be performed in futuristic space refineries. These elements, hydrogen and oxygen, are used as rocket fuel, enabling spacecraft to travel further and more efficiently. Asteroid mining could fuel our journeys deeper into space, opening up new frontiers for exploration and possibly even colonization. The potential is vast and exciting,